Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tea Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is all about how to level up your cake mix. In this video, I will show you the recipe I use on my cake mix to make it taste completely different. It confused the heck out of people and they think I made it out from the scratch. Here we go. I will be using a big filled pound cake mix. This is a banana flavor, like this is the only flavor I can get right now, but there's no problem, I'ma make it taste good. And these boxes have a recipe written behind the box, and this is for this cake: 4 large eggs, 5.5 tablespoons of water, and 3/4 vegetable oil. And there are baking instructions there for you to follow and also directions, but we are not gonna use this, we are gonna use something else. I have the recipe they asked for right here and measured just the way they want. But I'm not gonna use this like I said before. I am going to switch it off a bit by adding 1 more egg to my eggs. Take up that water, bring in the milk. Oil, no. Split it into 2, make it half butter, half oil. It will give you a marvelous change. And you also need more flavoring. I am using milk flavor to spicing up the banana flavor in this cake. Put them aside and start to use. From this step onward, I will be using the direction on the cake box. Okay, I need you all to pause for a bit. I missed some clips, but no worries, I didn't go over too much. I just kept the ingredients in there just the way the box asked me to do. My cake flour, my eggs, my butter and oil and milk and everything in there. So after it's in there, I will just be giving it a mix. Give it a good mix, just as the cake box says, for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure to scrape the sides like I did over here. And voila, you are ready to bake. Pour this into a lined pan with parchment paper. I'm using a bread pan for this because, yeah, you bake pound cake in a bread pan. It is baked for 25 minutes as the box said, but mine stayed there for 35 minutes. Do the toothpick test and it comes out clean like you see. As you can see, it's got some extra browning, which I love perfectly. Slice up your cake when it's completely cool or when it's still hot. I mean, I cannot wait to taste this cake, so I just sliced it up immediately. I love hot cakes. See how my knife just smoothly sliced the slices? Marvelous. Wonderful. I love this cake, and it tastes completely homemade and not from a cake mix taste. Look how soft it is. So you could eat it like that, or you could serve it up in a plate with some whipped creams and some almond nuts. It also tastes wonderful with this, guys, so give it a try. And do not forget to check the description box below for written recipes and more tips on how to bake. And also do not forget thumbs up for this video. I would really appreciate that, and comments down below on how this recipe worked for you. Oh my god, it is so soft. Okay, here's a slice for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.